You're live on
All right, so
live
math journal. Today's date is September 10th, 2012. Lesson 4-5. Today's lesson will be writing fractions in simplest form. So you want to copy? Good. Copy. Write in your journal. Steps to write fractions in simplest form. Example. Now you better be finished writing when I'm finished writing. At the same time I'm finished writing, you should be finished writing. The fraction is, but for the people that said they can't see it, I am speaking as I'm writing. So you should be listening to it. So, example, 18 over 24. So, I have to write this in the simplest form. Well, how do I know it's not in the simplest form already? My first step, the first thing I have to do is ask myself, is it currently in its simplest form? Ask myself, is it currently in its simplest form? I'm not sure. So if I'm not sure, then my second thing I need to do is, you've probably heard this before.
Pardon the interruption. Was Zion Pollock, please come down to the front desk. Zion Pollock, please come to the front desk.
If you've heard this before, say, wait till I say it. If you heard this before, say, Bob Mark, we heard this before. The second step is, I'm going to list all the factors of the numbers.
I heard this before.
List some of the factors. Am I listing some of the factors?
No.
Listen all the factors. So, all right, so let me list some factors here. 1 times 18. What's the next one? 2 times 9. Thanks for the help. 3 times what? 6. Thanks for the no help. I'm all by myself.
I'm sorry
So, thanks for
for disturbing your life.
So, do I have all the factors for 18 here?
No.
What am I missing?
Wait. 9. Oh, you got that.
Okay, so let me list all the factors for 24. 1 and 24. 2 and 12. Thank you, Chloe.
It was Chloe. No, it wasn't.
Thank you, Tata. 3, 8.
Sorry.
4 times 6. You're just being sorry all day.
I know.
All right. So I listed all the factors. Yay, I'm finished. Oh, no. What do I have to do after that? Find it. Thank you. That girl is rolling. Third. Find it.
No, I'm going to beat you, Takia. Forget that.
F. So what's the GCF here, y'all?
4. No, 6.
6.
Oh!
So let me review real quick before I finish up. Well, I give you all a chance to copy. Make sure you copy it neatly. Okay. Today's lesson is writing fractions in simplest form. And I'm saying it so you can hear it. Stop playing over here, y'all, please. Steps to write the fractions in simplest form. We use an example, 18 over 24 as a fraction. I asked myself, is it currently in its simplest form? And y'all said no. And I agree with y'all. But I wasn't sure. Don't just say no or yes without trying to find out. No. So what do I do next? So step 2, list all the factors. Not some of the factors, Mark, don't go there. List all the factors of 18 and 24. So I did that, right?
Yes.
And then I found the greatest common factor. Did I simplify that thing yet, though?
No.
It's still not simplified, but I'm almost there. The last step, and this is what we struggled with last year. We're going to get it this year. Step 4.
You gotta dig a little deeper.
Divide the GCF into the numerator and the what?
Denominator.
Denominator.
Not even the princess.
When I do this again for the next class, I'm going to use more board space.
It was on last night.
Example, 18.
You put the vid.
Come on, boy.
Hey, where'd it go?
So, last step. Divide the greatest common factor into the denominator and the numerator. That's a hard edge. I just can't really see it like I can see it. So that's 3/4. Now it's in the simplest form because the greatest common factor, the greatest factor. I'm not going to keep on saying that. No. Don't make excuses. That's how we go about it. So it's 3/4. Who can tell me for the first prize I'm giving out this year? I don't have it with me, but I'm going to give it to y'all when I see y'all tomorrow. The first prize I'm giving out this year. Who can tell me what 3/4 is as a decimal?
3/4.
A decimal.
75%. No.
Okay, I'm gonna give you.
I said 0.75.
So I'm gonna give you one and you one because you gave me the percent and you gave me the decimal. So I got both of y'all.
I need Yeah, buddy.
And that's basic. That's not a good rate. So 3/4 of the word. Again, let me go over the steps. I asked myself, is it currently in simplest form?
No.
I list all the factors. All is a key word. Of 18 and 24. After I find the greatest common factor, I divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. And that's how I get 3/4. And it's in the simplest form. The reason why I know it's in the simplest form, watch. Let me just show you. If I write the factors of 3 is 1 and 3, and I write the factors of 4 is 1, 2, 2, 4. What is their greatest common factor they have?
1.
1. So if I divide both of them by 1, I'm still going to end up with what? 3/4. So that's why when the greatest common factor is 1, then we know it's in simplest form. Any questions?
No. I guess.